YouTube, how y'all doing today? So last night I uploaded a video that wasn't very long at all. I didn't have everything done, but now I do. So my amp for my doors is not the best in the world, but it somewhat plays now. It's a good thing, it cuts in and out. But whenever I rebuild my doors, it'll be a lot better. So I'm ready for everything to be done now. I'm ready to build my doors, get my new amps for my doors. I'm ready for everything to be great again. But this is a little video. Let's see how windy this thing is now. But I promise, mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. Boy, that sawdust is crazy. Let's see. Let's go back.
Yeah. I know sometimes
I'm gonna save myself on this one.
Makes sense to you right now. But hey, my daddy always tell me. Straighten up them soldiers.
Ooh, that's a lot of sawdust.
Stiffen up that upper lip.
I don't like that.
What you crying about? You got me?
Well, talk about calling the door.
And I know you miss your dad.
Alright,
I'm gone, but I'm trying to
better?
give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes. Deep inside, you wanna cry. Just scared, I ain't dead.
Yeah, there goes the amp. Yeah, alright. One thing, let me find another song. It's like 18 hertz ain't the best for it. Alright, let's try this song. 25 to 29 hertz. Let's see how this one does. I honestly wouldn't mind getting in here, but I don't feel like getting covered in sawdust. So this weekend I'll be able to clean everything out. Can't wait. That's something I ain't smelled in a while. It's cold. Woo. Check on my amps right quick. Woo. So everything looks to be pretty good. Boy, do I smell them poles. God almighty. Try a different color. Alright, so this weekend I will get my loading wall and everything as much as I possibly can done. That way it will be more efficient, because I know for a fact right now it's off by, I mean, it's off by a little bit. I do know that. Because my front wall, I mean, it's, yeah, I'm missing a lot. But from just what it is so far, it's wonderful. I am extremely happy with it. The other day I was mad and stuff at myself because everything was not going as planned. But I'm just so glad everything's going good now. I am extremely happy with it. I couldn't even, I mean, I don't even know what to say, honestly. I'm speechless. But put a lot of work into this freaking thing, and I'm glad to see it playing again. Now, I am really ready for this to be playing whenever I'm going down the road, and or just even having it on top of the roof as I'm going down the road. How in the world am I going to get it to make sure that it don't fall off or whatever? I mean, yes, I got it strapped down and stuff right here, but I'm going to throw, I don't know, at least 2 to 3 freaking ratchet straps on top. That way I know for a fact that it doesn't go anywhere. I am trying my best on that part. I'm about to say, I mean, as far as for me, love, so as far as for me, that I love playing lows, I don't give a crap what it is. Anything 200, 300 feet that way is going with it. And so with that being on top of the roof, I mean, it's, yeah. I mean, I've got the roof as solid as I possibly can. I'm gonna have to brace the living crap out of it, but this thing's gonna be, it's gonna be gnarly whenever I get done. I can't wait. Hey, y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Y'all have a good one.